Have you ever heard a song and struggled to visualise that chord pattern? I'm going to show you the simplest and most effective way to visualise songs so that you can play along with a song that you're learning. My favourite way to play alongside a song is using this type of document right here. It helps me to see the chords of a song right in front of me and shows me exactly when a chord is played. Now, it's easy to get overwhelmed when you look at a chord sheet, so I'm going to break down the main elements of a chord sheet from top to bottom. So at the top of the chord sheet you get the song title and the artist's name. Then underneath that you get the key of the song, which is either a major or minor key. And then further down the chord sheet you get the chord sheet itself. Now the chord sheet is set out in a structure. It normally follows the pattern that the song flows in. So first you get the intro, then you get a verse, then a chorus, then another verse, and then eventually you'll get a bridge, instrumental. Within each of those sections of the song you get the section name. So for example we've got a verse now, then you get the chord line, then you get the lyric line. Now with the chord line it shows you exactly where the chord is played on which word. So you can see here that we've got the G being played on the were, and then the A being played on the love. Now typically, because this is a pop chord sheet, it's probably being played in 4/4 and the chords are being played on the 1 of each bar. Now the problem that most beginners have with chord sheets is knowing where to find them. I'm using a website called ultimateguitar.com, which contains loads of different chord sheets for many different popular songs. Then once that person finds a chord sheet and starts playing the song, they realise that they're playing in an entirely different key. Now if you're someone that struggles with those two things, then I put together a video that talks you through where to find chord sheets and how to transpose them to the original key of the song.